Hey guys, Patrick back from Rocky Mountain Style, unboxing for the first time today in my life a pair of White's boots. Trust the original. White's, of course, out of Spokane, Washington. They're one of the many famous Pacific Northwest boot makers up there. We see here there's some oil or something. Yeah, it's dry, so some sort of oil was sitting somewhere in the truck maybe, or somewhere in the shipping process. So let's hope that does not permeate into the boots. All right, there's our bill of sale. Cool. White's Handmade Boots, Spokane, Washington. These were purchased on that's a cool box. These were purchased on a Labor Day sale. I think it was 20% off, something like that. So yeah, always a good time to strike when the sales come up. Trust the original. And what did we get? We got the Perry Moc Toe in the Red Dog leather. So they have two Perry Moc Toes. One's the Perry Select. From what I can tell, it uses nicer leather and is a little bit pricier. This one is the sort of entry level model. I think it retails for $325. I got these for $260, or maybe it's $320 and I got them for $265. Either way, I wanted to get these to sort of compare them against the Red Wing 1907 that I have, and do some videos comparing, two popular American-made boots. So, and again, yeah, I've never owned a White's product. I've never owned, even held a White's product. Arch Ease, that's cool. So let's get into it and see what we got. All right. Oh, cool. All right. Yeah, this is how I was hoping this leather was going to be. In the picture, it's always tough to tell what the sheen is going to be like and what it's going to feel like, right? And this is what I was hoping. So, of course, the Vibram Christie outsole, like many boots. Typical Moc Toe construction, tall toe box. Lots of stitching there. We got triple stitching here, double stitching there and there. Looks like we have 4 eyelets, 2 speed hooks, and then another eyelet on the top. I'm sure there's a reason for that. I'm not sure what it is, other than to maybe make it tighter. But yeah, everything looks good. I don't see any issues or anything to cause alarm. Also, this is something that at first I wasn't a huge fan of, especially on a lot of their more expensive boots when they're more prominent, and on some of the other ones like Nick's and things like that. But it's kind of grown on me as I've gotten more into the boot hobby. All right, cool. All right, so what does this say? May contain a chemical. All right, thanks, California. All right, let's check the other one out and see if there's anything else in the box. So nothing in the box, so very basic. So these didn't come individually wrapped. They didn't come with any shoe bags or anything. They were just laying in there with one layer of paper over them, which in general is fine, as long as you're careful about what you do. But yeah, maybe for their entry level boot, that's what they do. If I bought an $800 pair of boots and they were shipped like that, I'd be pretty upset, to be honest. So yeah, we got a gusseted tongue, which is nice. I like how this is sewn on there. That's really cool. I haven't seen that before, with that sort of like ornate stitching to sew the tongue on. So that's pretty cool. Do we have laces? Maybe they're down inside. No laces there. All right. I've never thought I might not have laces before, but yeah, putting them inside the boot makes sense, right? Okay, so these are, those sort of like Americana workwear yellow and brown laces. I don't have any boots with these kinds of laces, so I'm excited to try those out. I guess let's have a closer look at the right boot here and just make sure there's no issues. No, I don't see any issues. They look pretty cool. The leather is, let me smell it. Yeah, it smells like leather. It's a full grain leather. They don't have any info on their website about where it comes from, what tannery or anything like that. I'm sure if I did a little research, I could probably find it. White's down there at the bottom. So if I feel in, we've got, so that's a fabric sort of insole there. You could probably, wonder if you could take it out. Yeah, you can. All right, so you can take that out, and then underneath, It's just sort of, yeah, I wouldn't want to wear it without. Feels kind of hard down there. Yeah, okay, so it's an Ortholite insole. I like that it comes out nice and easy, so if for some reason you wanted a different one, it'd be easy to throw it in. But of course, I'll try it out with those. I have no issues with that. I don't mind a little extra comfort. And then if that wears out, since it's not permanently affixed, it's easy to take out and replace in the future. Okay, so I'm going to lace these up and get them on foot, and we'll see if they fit. Oh, these are 10D. You saw from there probably, but I did not mention it. So these are 10Ds, just like most other boots. All right, so let's break here, and I will get them laced up. All right, there we go. So they do fit, technically. They are, I'm still wearing my my Thursday Captain Canyon over here on the right foot. Only put the left one on. They do fit. There's the heel feels good. Everything feels good around here. They're a little tight, I guess narrow in the instep. So there's a little bit of pressure right here. So, but they're not bad at all. It's the exact kind of thing I would think would break in fairly quickly with time. And I'm not wearing them with super thick boot socks. These are some sort of medium socks, and I don't have them all the way cinched up. So while I was putting them on, something I noticed: the tongue is a really thin, cheap feeling leather. Almost feels fake, which is disappointing from a company like White's. I do understand this is the cheapest boot they make, but still, it's a pretty not great feeling tongue. I'll do a little research on that. Maybe there's a reason for that, but overall, I like how they look, and I think they fit well enough to not worry about sending them back or anything. So yeah, I will wear them around, see how they break in, and then at some point this fall or this winter, I'm going to do a sort of head-to-head comparison between these and the Red Wing 1907s to see, which is the best American Moc Toe for, about $325. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic day.